Did you know that complicated skincare routine is actually not the key to healthy, glowing skin?
Hey dolls, my name is Cherise and I have tried on and really researched on a lot of Korean skincare and I shared in my YouTube channel so you can have a general idea on how products perform before purchasing them. Korean skincare got very popular in the West because of the very viral 10-step Korean skincare. And although I myself have tried it and I think it works, to most it can be complicated since you have to make sure every combination of actives does not disrupt each other or irritate your skin. And also you have to make sure that you properly layer each of the product. So it can be exhausting and in the long run expensive. So if you are a beginner to Korean skincare and you want a very straightforward, very minimalistic, and affordable skincare routine that you can easily incorporate in your very busy schedule, then keep on watching. So as I've mentioned, complicated skincare routine is not the key to healthy skin. Rather, the key is creating a skincare routine that is geared to your skin type and skin issues. For example, I have oily combination skin. So my goal is to control sebum production and prevent clogged pores. And another concern of mine is hyperpigmentation. So I also look for products that can lighten my dark spots. So before following a skincare routine, grab a mirror, look at your skin first, ask what you would like to improve on. Is it acne? Is it texture? Wrinkles? Redness? Whatever it is, note it down and let's get started. So most skin types can generally follow a routine of 3 steps in the morning and 3 steps at night. But I am a firm believer of sunscreen. So we are going to add one more step on our morning routine. So step 1, cleanser. Cleansing your face is such an important part of our skincare routine. If you don't cleanse properly, everything that you put on top of your skin will not be properly absorbed. So what's the point of having a skincare routine? It would be useless. So cleansing your face is very important. So make sure that you cleanse your face for 60 seconds. And if you're wearing a heavy makeup, make sure that you double cleanse using a micellar water, an oil cleanser, or a balm cleanser. But on today's video, we are going to focus on foam cleansers. If you have normal to dry skin, I suggest using this. This is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampule Foam. So this cleanser has Centella asiatica extract, which is well known for its antioxidant. It's also alcohol, fragrance, and essential oil free, which makes it great to use for all skin types, even if you have sensitive skin. And if you have oily, congested skin, I suggest using the same cleanser from the line, but this one has the tea trica BHA. So this cleanser has salicylic acid in it, which is a gold standard ingredient for problematic skin. So salicylic acid exfoliates the skin surface and unclog pores. It is also known to dissolve the dead skin cells and help to regulate sebum production. That's why it's such an ideal ingredient for those with oily skin or acne-prone skin. I love these 2 cleansers, and what I love about them the most is that every time I use it on my face, when I dry my face after, it doesn't feel like it's squeaky clean. Mind you, both of them really deep clean, but it still leaves my face very soft and doesn't really strip my face of my natural oils. And they're both very affordable. So the original cost 8 Canadian dollars and the one with the salicylic acid is 10 Canadian dollars. I use this every time I know that it's going to be the time of the month and I know that my skin will be producing a lot more oil. This really helps me in not having breakout during my period. And with this one, I use this especially when I'm using any actives in my skincare routine, especially if it's retinol, because I know that this cleanser is very gentle and doesn't have any actives in it. So the best tip I have when washing your face is to make sure that you gently massage your cleanser on your skin for 30 to 60 seconds. So this gives the cleanser enough time to break down and dissolve oil, dirt, and impurities. So now let's go on to step 2, which is applying your target product. Remember earlier I have asked you to note down what you would like to improve in your skin. With this step, we can use the target products to target your specific skin concern. So, if one of your skin concern is hyperpigmentation, I would recommend this Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum from Axis Y. So this serum only has 5% niacinamide, which is great for beginners. If your concern is texture and big pores, I would suggest using this Numbuzin No. 3 Skin Softening Serum. So this serum has 21% galactomyces, which have been found to have pore minimizing properties. This is due to its ability to regulate sebum production, which is a natural oil produced by the skin. Now, if dehydration or dryness is your skin concern, I would suggest using hyaluronic acid, such as this. This one is from Torden, and this is their Hyaluronic Dive-In Serum. And we all know that hyaluronic acid is such a great ingredient in increasing the moisture content in your skin. If your skin concern is wrinkles or you want something that is anti-aging, I would suggest using retinol. This is the Sun By Me Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum with retinol, and bakuchiol oil. And this is great for beginners because this only contains 0.1% of retinol. But if you're looking for an alternative for retinol, maybe you're very sensitive and you can't handle any retinol. This one is from the Skin House, and this is their Wrinkle Supreme Serum, and this one has red ginseng in it and also mushroom extracts. And those ingredients are also known to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Now, if your skin concern is redness, I would suggest using an essence. This one is from I'm From, and this is their Mugwort Essence. This is made of 100% mugwort extract, which is really great for soothing sensitive and irritated skin and can give you instant redness relief. If it's a damaged skin barrier that's causing you to break out, I would suggest using the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampule. It's very popular for a reason. It has an amazing anti-inflammatory property, making it a perfect ampule to not only fight acne but also minimize acne scarring. Another popular skin barrier serum is this Purito Centella Unscented Serum. This one actually has been reformulated, so get the new version of this. This is already great, but I'm sure the new and improved one would be so much better. So this serum has 49% Centella Asiatica extract. It's also essential oil free, which is great for sensitive skin, and it also has niacinamide, ceramide, and peptide. If I missed some skincare concern, just comment down below so I can suggest some products. But going back to our second step, which is applying your target product. So most of these target products are highly concentrated and work in a less is more approach. For serums, you'll usually just need 1 or 2 drops to create a thin film of active ingredients. And for cream or gel, try starting with a pea-sized amount and then dotting it all over the surface of your face in small amounts before spreading it and rubbing it gently into the skin. Also, some products that are designed to target specific issues are only made to be used once per day or only a few times per week. So some of these target products are also better to use at night than during the day. So for example, retinol should only be used once a week at first to see how your skin reacts to it. Then you can gradually work up to 3 times a week to every other day. And you should also only use retinol at night because retinol can be broken down by ultraviolet light. So if you apply retinol in the morning, you risk inactivating it before it has time to exert its beneficial effects. So make sure to check the product label of each target product before using it. So step 3, moisturizer. My 2 most loved creams, or moisturizer I should say, is this Jumiso Have a Good cream. This one has my 2 favorite ingredients, which is snail mucin and centella. And then the second moisturizer that I love is this Sun By Me AHA BHA PHA, and it also has 70% centella. So this one I would suggest for any skin types actually because it's very mild and yet very moisturizing. And then this one I would suggest for people with oily, congested skin. So again, this one has AHA and BHA that are really great to unclog pores and promote cell turnover for even texture. So this too is what I would normally use every time I know that my period is coming up or during my period. And let me tell you, when I introduced this to my skincare routine, I never had any breakout during my period. I have to say though, if you have not used AHA or BHA before, use this 1 to 2 times per week. And as your skin get used to it, you can use it once a day or twice a day. Just don't forget to apply sunscreen if you're using it during the day. And speaking of sunscreen, this is our 4th step during the day. And currently, I am so in love with this Skin 1004. This is their Hyaluronic Water Fit sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++++. This is not sticky and it really blends on smoothly on the face, so I can suggest this for almost all skin types. This can also be your moisturizer as well because it is very moisturizing. It has Centella asiatica and it also has a lot of moisturizing ingredients in it. As you can see, I have used this a lot of times. So most of the time, I can still go by with 3 steps in the morning using a facial wash, my Target product, and then this sunscreen that also acts as my moisturizer. So those are my tips and tricks and recommendations on how to simplify your skincare routine as a beginner. And you can find all of this beginner-friendly Korean skincare products, knowing confidently that all products you buy are genuine, from Stelvana. So Stelvana is your one-stop online shop to purchase the trendiest Asian fashion and beauty products, and they have a wide range of Korean beauty products to choose from. And you can use my code INF10 to get a 10% discount. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much else again for watching. I'll see you in my next one.